Welcome class. My name is Billy. I'll be taking you through mathematics revision. Our lesson is going to focus on past Kcse revision questions. You can subscribe to our channel, and if you have any question, just ask on the comment section. You're welcome. Now, the first question: two people, X and Y, have goats. X has more goats than Y. If Y gives X one of his goats, X will have twice as many goats as Y. And if X gives Y one of his goats, they will have an equal number of goats. How many goats does each have? Class, don't panic. This is a question testing you on algebra. And since you are dealing with two people, X and Y, just say let the number of goats owned by person X be X and the number of goats owned by person Y be Y. Such that if X gives Y one of his goats, then he will remain with X minus 1 goats and Y will have Y plus 1 goats. Then they tell us that they are going to have equal number of goats, meaning that X minus 1 is equal to Y plus 1. The next statement says if Y gives X one of his goats, now Y gives X, so Y minus 1 and X plus 1. So X is going to have twice as many goats as Y, such that if I take X plus 1, the number of goats owned by X after X has given Y one of his goats, I divide by the number of goats that after Y has given one of his goats to person X is going to be twice. So I'm having two equations here. Call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. So by use of substitution method or elimination method, let us use substitution class. I want to make Y the subject in this equation 2. So I'm going to have X plus 1 over Y minus 1 being equal to 2. It's a fraction. You multiply this side by Y minus 1, and whatever you do on the left hand side also do it on the right hand side. That is Y minus 1. So this one and this one will go. I'm having X plus 1. X plus 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by Y is 2Y. 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2. And then collect like terms. Take this positive 1 to this other side and this 2Y to this other side, since these are terms and they have variables. So I'm having X minus 2Y is equal to minus 2 minus 1. So X minus 2Y is equal to minus 3. Then if I want to make X the subject, I will have X is equal to minus 3 plus 2Y. So we're having X is equal to minus 3 plus 2Y. We have made X the subject in our second equation. We come back to our first equation. It was X minus 1 is equal to Y plus 1. So in place of X, just replace it minus 3 plus 2Y, because X is equal to minus 3 plus 2Y. So we're having minus 3 plus 2Y minus 1 is equal to Y plus 1. Then collect like terms. I'm having positive Y, positive 2Y. If I take it to this other side, I will have minus 3 minus 1 is equal to Y plus 1 minus 2Y. We're having 1 on this other side, you bring it to this other side. Minus 3 minus 1 is equal to Y minus 2Y is minus Y. So minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. So I'm having minus 5 is equal to minus Y. So negative and negative will go. So the value of Y is equal to 5. You come back to where X was equal to minus 3 plus 2Y to find the value of X. So if your Y is 5, it will be 5 multiplied by 2. We are having 10. Then minus 3 plus 10 will have 7. So the number of goats that person X had was 7, and the number of goats that person Y had was 5.